Hi, my name is Lakshmi and welcome to Lucky's Beauty and Creations. Today I am here to unbox one more monthly subscription box, that is monthly yarn subscription box, that is Knitcrate. It looked like this. It's basically a yarn subscription box based from US, and in US it's one of the best monthly yarn subscription box, and from last month they are introduced in India. May Knitcrate box also I have did the unboxing video, and if you not yet seen that video, I am giving link in description box, you can check it out. And about Knitcrate, it's a monthly yarn subscription box. They have lot of varieties of yarns, and they have hand dyed, so lot of colorful yarns are there, and high branded and high quality yarns they have. For further details and subscription plans, you can check it out in their website, and that website link I am giving in description box. Please check it out. And I have 20% off discount coupon for you, and by using that coupon code, 20% off coupon code, you can get 20% off on your first subscription plan or first purchase. Please do use that. And let's jump into the unboxing video. This is the Knitcrate box, how it reached me. This is my second box I am doing unboxing, and here you can see simple cardboard box, and it's taped. Actually last time it's not taped here, and it's not that safe, so I told if they wrapped with some cover, plastic cover, it will be more safe, I think. And still it's okay, it in transit, nothing happened, it reached me safely. And this is the box, and the knitting symbol is there, and this is Knitcrate written overhead. This is simple cardboard box, nothing special. And here written here, I am ready for my close-up, and snap a shot for a chance to win 3 free months of Knitcrate, and post it to this Ravelry and social medias, Instagram and Facebook, and they gave here hashtag. We have to post it here. And after opening the box, we can get here 2 informational cards here. Here they have written Knitcrate ice cream. Here something nice words they have written here. I am reading for you guys. The fresh neons and icy brights of this month's shipments will have you screaming for more. Celebrate the season with these popping primary tones with a twist. These electrical hues reminds us of an afternoon spent poolside, energetic beach town, and the sizzling heat of summer days. They have written here, and this is the symbol Knitcrate. So colorful card it is. And in the back side they have written details of this yarn and all that. Here's what's inside. Yarn, this brand name is vedio, and total retail value is $24 per skein. And you can see here 80% merino, 10% cashmere, and 10% nylon. Fingering, total 440 yards or 100 grams of yarn in this. And patterns, it comes with 2 patterns, one knit and one crochet patterns. And patterns, knit designer Tyaga Hilliard, and retail value of $10 each pattern. For each pattern they have charged here $5. And knit pattern Minty Fresh, and crochet designer color, I don't know, this is, I don't want to pronounce this wrongly, and you can read this, Hudson. And crochet pattern, this is Lemoncello. A link to pattern, they have given link here, you can see. And this is the link. Shipping charges $5, and the total retail value is this is $63. And here the links they have given, Ravelry link, and here is the bonus code they have given, and they are all social media links. Knitcrate, you can follow this here. And in second card you can see one here is crochet pattern, and this is knit pattern, beautiful. This is poncho kind of pattern, crochet designer Lemoncello. And here is the knit pattern, beautiful shawl pattern it is. Teaga Hilliard knit designer, and beautiful shawl pattern it is. You can see how beautiful it is. And I got 2 skeins of yarn, and this is so soft, and details of the yarn written over here. Tag is there. This is Vidalna by Knitcrate. These are all hand dyed yarns, and here is colorway chivis and softed sock, 75% superwash merino, 15% nylon, 10% cashmere, and fingering weight. This is 100 grams of yarn, and suggested needle size is US 0 to 1 or 2 to 2.5 mm. All Vidalna yarns are exclusively hand dyed for Knitcrate. They have written here beautiful greenish kind of wool is there. It's so soft. I'm very excited and happy to try this. And this is the box which I got. Now you saw the box and yarn color and quality, everything details, you saw that. And after seeing this box, there is no doubt about their quality and their communication and their website clarity and their transport, everything is okay. And but main thing, coming to the pricing section, being an Indian, for 1 month subscription they are charged $24, and if we convert into rupees, it more than goes 1,500. It's more than 1,500, which is a lot for us. It is a bit costly. Only for 2 skeins of yarn we can't spend that much money. If they make it little bit affordable for Indian knitters, can enjoy that yarn also, they can use that, they can think to buy that. Otherwise I don't think so this subscription plans will work in India. If you are watching from other than Indian country, you can definitely use my code and definitely try this yarn subscription box. Definitely it may be worth for you, but being an Indian, it's bit costly for me. I can't recommend my Indian friends and Indian YouTubers because it's personally I feel it's bit costly, and because it sent me for review purpose by Knitcrate, and I'm very happy to receive this box. But if I'm going to buy this personally, but definitely because of pricing section I can't buy this. It is very way costly to me, and there is no doubt about their quality, their other things, and their communications, and I'm not regretting their brands and everything. Only the pricing section is problematic for me, because in India I don't think so it works, because lot of quality of yarn is available in India, and only for 2 skeins we no need to spend that much money. And if they think about their pricing section, it may work in India. So this is the my genuine review about this Knitcrate monthly yarn subscription box. This is the June Knitcrate subscription box, June 2018. And this is my genuine review about this product. If you like this video, if you feel genuine review, then please do like and comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on bell icon to notify my new videos. Please follow me on my social links like website like Facebook and Instagram. I'm giving the link in description box, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to notify my new videos. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.